Dreaming of turning your balcony or terrace into a charming outdoor dining space this spring? Wondering how European homes create elegant al fresco dining setups, even in the smallest city balconies? Curious how simple decor elements like fresh flowers, candles, and linen fabrics can transform a compact outdoor space into a cozy retreat? And looking for seasonal styling ideas like spring florals, pastel accents, and subtle Easter touches that feel light, refreshing, and welcoming? Stay with us, because today we're exploring European outdoor dining decoration ideas for balconies and terraces, helping you create a stylish spring setup for 2026. What defines European outdoor dining style? European outdoor dining celebrates simplicity, elegance, and connection with nature. Rather than elaborate decorations, the focus is on relaxed table settings, natural textures, and fresh seasonal elements. Whether in a Parisian balcony, an Italian terrace, or a Spanish courtyard, the atmosphere feels effortless, inviting guests to slow down, share food, and enjoy the beauty of the outdoors. How can small balconies be transformed into dining spaces? Even the smallest balcony can become a beautiful dining area with thoughtful planning. A compact bistro table, foldable chairs, and a few decorative accents are often enough to create a charming outdoor corner. Choosing lightweight furniture and vertical decor helps maximize the limited space. If you love elegant outdoor decor ideas, like this video and share it with someone planning a spring refresh. Which color palettes work best for spring outdoor dining? Spring-inspired color palettes bring freshness and harmony to outdoor spaces. Soft pastels like blush pink, sage green, cream, sky blue, and pale yellow reflect blooming flowers and bright spring skies. These tones feel cheerful while remaining calm and sophisticated. What table settings create a charming European look? A well-styled table instantly elevates the dining experience. Layer linen tablecloths or runners with ceramic plates, simple glassware, and cloth napkins tied with ribbon or twine. Small details such as floral place cards or decorative napkin folds can make the setting feel both refined and welcoming. Tell us in the comments how you style your balcony or terrace for outdoor dining. How can flowers enhance a balcony dining table? Fresh flowers bring color, fragrance, and seasonal beauty. Tulips, daisies, lavender, or small wildflower arrangements placed in glass jars or ceramic vases create effortless European charm. Even a single bloom in a small vase can add elegance. What greenery works well for terrace decor? Greenery connects the dining space with nature. Potted herbs like rosemary or basil, climbing ivy, small olive trees, and decorative shrubs add texture and freshness. Plants also help create privacy and soften the edges of urban balconies. For more outdoor decor inspiration, check out our full playlist in the description below. What seating ideas maximize comfort in small outdoor spaces? Comfortable seating encourages guests to linger. Lightweight chairs, foldable furniture, or narrow benches work well in compact spaces. Adding cushions, seat pads, or soft throws instantly increases comfort and style. Subscribe for more elegant European home and garden decor ideas. How can decorative trays enhance outdoor dining? Decorative trays bring both beauty and practicality to the table. A tray holding candles, flowers, or small dishes keeps items organized while adding visual structure. It also makes serving drinks or appetizers easier. What seasonal accents can be added for spring? Subtle seasonal accents enhance the atmosphere. Pastel eggs, floral wreaths, or small spring ornaments placed among greenery can introduce a festive touch while maintaining elegance. The key is keeping the accents delicate and balanced. Love these ideas? Find similar decor pieces linked in the description below. How can you style a balcony drink station? A small drink station adds both function and charm. Use a side table or tray to serve lemonade, sparkling water, wine, or spring cocktails. Decorate with citrus slices, fresh herbs, and tiny floral arrangements for a refreshing visual display. What textiles improve the outdoor dining atmosphere? Natural fabrics soften the setting and create comfort. Linen tablecloths, textured placemats, and cotton napkins add warmth and sophistication. These breathable materials also complement the relaxed spring atmosphere. Explore more balcony and terrace styling inspiration in our similar videos listed in the description. How can you create a cozy terrace lounge area? After dining, guests often enjoy relaxing conversation. A small lounge corner with chairs, cushions, and a coffee table creates a comfortable retreat. Candles, flowers, and soft blankets help extend the gathering into the evening. What decorative details make the biggest difference? Sometimes the smallest details create the most memorable atmosphere. Handwritten place cards, ribbon-tied napkins, or tiny floral bundles add thoughtful elegance. These touches make guests feel appreciated and welcomed. If you enjoy stylish outdoor decor ideas, make sure to subscribe for weekly inspiration. How can you create a beautiful outdoor dining setup on a budget? You don't need expensive decor to create a beautiful setting. Use garden flowers, repurpose glass jars as vases, and mix existing tableware creatively. European outdoor styling celebrates simplicity, creativity, and thoughtful presentation. Outdoor dining on a balcony or terrace is a beautiful way to celebrate the arrival of spring. By combining soft color palettes, fresh flowers, cozy lighting, and thoughtful table styling, you can transform even the smallest outdoor space into an elegant European dining retreat. Keep the decor simple, seasonal, and welcoming, and let nature become part of the dining experience. If you enjoyed these balcony and terrace dining ideas, like this video and share it with friends who love outdoor gatherings. Tell us your favorite outdoor dining decor idea in the comments below. Explore our spring decor playlist in the description for more inspiration. Subscribe and turn on notifications for more European home and garden styling ideas. Looking for more outdoor decorating inspiration? Check out similar videos linked below. Find the decor items featured in this video through the links provided in the description.